By the way, on the screen viewers, also with us, Saurav Majumdar, the editor of Business Today. Saurav, we'll come to you. And Sakshi Batra from Business Today TV, and she has some data that we have. But Nilesh, taking Udyan's point forward, does this mean that the hopes for a certain kind of earning and return from the markets has gone for the near term?
No, I don't think so. Number one, our markets were trading at a premium valuation. We were looking very, very expensive vis-a-vis other peer group before the budget. And those valuations will continue to act as a brake on our short-term performance. But this budget reassures investors on the path of fiscal prudence. It creates growth multiplier through infrastructure investment and consumption boost through tax cuts. So our long-term growth story is not adversely impacted by any event, and investors will continue to look positively towards India, albeit not necessarily at current prices and current valuation. But I certainly believe every correction will be lapped up by investors to build exposure to India. We have also seen fair amount of selling by foreigners, as India was the only market where they were in profit, which was expensive, and where exit was available. Their holdings have declined from 20% plus to 20% minus. It's nearly at probably what was the bottom in last 10 odd years. So effectively there is not excess investment in India. The long-term growth story continues to be good, but you want to enter at a reasonable valuation, and hence this becomes a buy on dip market.
Okay.
What about Adani itself, Nilesh? I mean, how or what would you imagine that they're going to do next? Because it doesn't take away from the larger plan, and I'll get Uday's take on this as well, in terms of the fact that they are going to need capital to complete all these projects, to retire their debt.
I mean, I wish I knew the answer, but what we have seen that for corporates to raise money, they probably need three things in today's world: earnings growth, governance, and some commitment to green. This combination of 3G, growth, governance, and green, will be allowing you to tap institutional investors market.
Okay, let me quickly bring in Sakshi Batra here, who's been standing by with some data and numbers, and this is for the viewers who don't sort of track the market so closely. The loss of market cap since the launch of the report for individual stocks of the Adani pack. Sakshi, take it from here.
Absolutely, Siddharth, you're right. I mean, the numbers are mind-boggling right there with the kind of market cap loss that we have seen for the group as a whole and for all the individual stocks as well. For the group, since the report was made public on January 24th, the group as a whole has lost over 8.6 lakh crore rupees in market cap. Now, out of this, the biggest market cap loss in the individual stocks has come in from Adani Total Gas, which has lost a total of 2.4 lakh crore rupees. The next one is Adani Enterprises with over 2 lakh crore rupees of market loss. 1.4 lakh crore rupees gone for Adani Green right there. Adani Transmission also similar amount has gone. Also 62,000 crore rupees has gone for Adani Transmission and Adani Ports for that matter. Ambuja Cement and Adani Power are the next ones which have lost anywhere between 1 lakh crore rupees each. Also when we talk about the kind of loss that we've seen for Adani Wilmar, the latest, from the company's basket that got recently listed, that's also lost a considerable amount of market cap, about 1.9 lakh crore rupees over there. And also when we talk about the kind of loss that we've seen for NDTV, the latest acquisition from the basket, 387 crore rupees have gone from that as well. You were talking about LIC and SBI as well, which have a considerable holding in Adani Group. Together, they have lost about 1.2 lakh crore rupees of market cap since January 24th. So that's a massive, massive loss that all of these stocks have had in together.
And that's where the $100 billion figure has come from. Thanks so much for that, Sakshi.